How to fix no internet connection in TikTok. So if TikTok says no internet connection, it could be a couple of reasons. First of all, it is important to check the internet connection and make sure that they're working just fine. If only the TikTok app is having this issue, long press the TikTok app icon, then tap on the I button to come to the app info page. If you're on iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. But for Android users, you can just go to storage settings, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data from the bottom. Now, TikTok also says no internet connection when TikTok isn't available in your region. So, if TikTok is not available in your region, then in that case, you will not be able to use TikTok. So, in that way, the only thing that you can actually do is you can go ahead and simply use a VPN, right? So, just go ahead and then open up any VPN application that you prefer, connect to a region where TikTok is available, and from there, you should be able to use TikTok. So, hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.